You want to be a successful person? You want to know how to stay focused while reading, or even how to stay focused in yourself and other things that can make you to succeed in life or reach the goal or achieve what you want to achieve in future. But the main problem is why you can't stay focused. In this video, I'll be telling you the reasons why you can't stay focused and how to fix it. One of the main reasons why you can't stay focused is distractions. That will take us to the two types of focus. We have the scattered focus and we have the direct focus. And right now, you that are watching this video, you are under the category of the scattered focus. It's also known as multitasking. It's like you are doing so many things at the same time. You are breaking your brain into so many things. Like you are watching movie, at the same time you are watching movie, you are pressing your phone, answering people on social media or on WhatsApp. At the same time, you are looking at a book or a novel. Well, focus is divided into three places. You are giving your brain other work to do, in which you are still reading, the TV is playing, at the same time as the TV is playing, also answering messages that are coming through WhatsApp or any of the social media. And the kind of person that do so many things at the same time, you do this, do this, do this, do this, and that's what they call the scattered focus. And you don't want to be in that level at all. What I want you to be is, I want you to be the person that have a direct focus on one thing. If you want to read, know you want to read. If you want to be on social media, know you want to be on social media. If you want to watch movie, know that yes, I want to watch movie. Then remove all side distractions away. Distraction is one main reason why you can't focus. So try and remove any distractions around you to see that you will get a better response to trying to focus on anything you want to do, be it yourself or while studying or doing anything. Distraction is number one main reason why people can't gain that steady focus. Number two reason why you can't stay focused and how to fix it is taking good care of your body. Everything starts from your brain. Everything starts with this body. This body is the engine. This body is what propels whatever you want to be in future. No matter how successful you want to be, no matter how focused you aim to be, everything starts from this body. So if you don't take care of the body, how do you expect to be focused? That's my question. You don't take care of your body, you don't exercise your body, you are just there, you don't even care if your body is well hydrated or taking enough water, having enough sleep, exercising yourself, going out, just taking some time off. How will you be able to even focus? Because you are not giving the brain the actual time to process itself back, and you want to focus on things. It's like you are multitasking the brain again, and that's what the first thing we talked about, which is the scattered distraction. Your distraction is scattered. You have nowhere to pinpoint your focus to. You are not taking good care of your body. Your body is like the propeller of being focused. Your body is like the engine of being focused. So just try and take care of your body. Don't even try. It's a must. Make it a must to take care of your body. More especially, eat good foods. After you have chosen to have the direct focus and also you are taking good care of your body, which takes us to our next tip, which is make concentration a habit. Test your ability, test your focus. Try and have one particular thing that yes, I want to read, and you know that this reading, you don't want to watch TV while reading, you don't want to answer to any WhatsApp or any social media handle while reading, and you just want to be on your own. If not 2 hours or 30 minutes or even 1 hour, just try it. Choose one thing to do and avoid any distractions within that particular time. Try and test your ability to know how far you are going, if you are really getting into the aim you want or you are still under the scattered focus. Your aim is to get to that direct focus. Next 30 minutes I want to read, and this particular reading I don't want to disturb, I don't want to have any distractions. I created a video about how to stay focused while reading. You can check it up there. So if you are in the right direction, you really have to test your ability. You really have to test your brain to know that yes, I'm not more in that scattered area. I'm now direct. I have to focus on one particular thing I'm doing, and I have to remove any side distractions away, and at the same time, I'm taking good care of my body. The number 4 reason why you can't focus is running away from your problem. There's this word that says, or this idea that says, that I always follow, and it is, whenever you have a problem or you are bad at something and you know you are very bad at it, don't run, face it, get a solution to that problem of yours. It's just like you are focused on solving that problem, and that is one main thing to end your era of not being focused. For example, you have a problem of not being able to read and understand well. So your main aim is to break that problem. Your main aim is to solve that problem. Your aim is to be able to read and understand very well, which means you are already directing your focus to reading and understanding well. No matter what your problem is, you don't need to run away from it. There is nobody without a problem, but only a focused person can get the solution to the problem. And that is why you always have to have a direct focus. You must have a direct focus to solve your problem. Okay, fine, you have a problem, you are looking for a solution. And to get that solution to that problem, to be who you want to be, you have to have a direct focus that, yes, I want to solve the problem that I am facing.